No, Jariwala, no. Ayush, Gunav,
And maybe something is
Vivan,
wrong with
please.
your internet. My camera is on.
You log out and log in again, my dear Jahan.
Renu ma'am, Devyosha is just getting her circles.
Okay.
Ma'am, am I blur? Ma'am.
Twisha, yes. Soft, yes, it's 10:10. Now we'll start our class. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
I can see only 27, 28 students have joined till now. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes because again they will come and they say that
Ma'am, we
they
have
have
to write
joined
in
now
notebook or textbook.
in notebook,
What?
which I will explain today, Farzan. Switch on your camera fast.
Ma'am, my camera is only switch on only.
No.
Yes.
Kanak ma'am, I will
Yes,
log out
ma'am.
and log
Yes,
in
yes.
again. I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
log
They
out and
are
log in.
on. Huh. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Yeah, good morning. Now we are going to start our today's topic. As you all know that yesterday we have done about the round objects. Man Rajodia, sit properly and stop eating whatever you are doing. Please stop. Yesterday we have learned about what are the round objects and how to trace a circle with the round objects. So first we recall what we have learned yesterday and then we will do today's topic.
Ma'am, your voice is not connecting.
Okay.
Voice is
Yeah.
coming properly.
Okay. Thank you. This is visible to you all. The screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Introduction of yes, ma'am.
Yes. So yesterday we have started about the introduction of cards and wheels. I have explained you what are the round objects and how to trace the circle with the round objects. Just have a quick recap with this.
Ma'am, your
Speak
voice
on
is
it.
not coming. It's breaking a lot.
Kanak ma'am, my voice is audible.
No, ma'am. It is clicking.
Okay, let me check.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking so hard. No, ma'am, your voice is clear. Your voice is clear.
Ma'am, your voice is perfect.
Ma'am, no.
Now, no one will please not on your mic and say it is clear. It is clear. Ma'am will check and please have patience.
It is
Okay, now
clear,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Now
please
it
check.
is clear,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Again, I will present my screen. Just please guide me whether it is visible or not. Please, Viman Patel, switch off your mic.
Ma'am, this ma'am, it is visible.
Okay,
Renu, ma'am, this paper is okay.
now wait. I'm going to revise what we have learned yesterday. Wait for your turn and listen it carefully. So yesterday we have learned about the round objects. Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, have you started the activity?
No, I just started my class. So these are the round objects, wheel, which you see. We can find such round things such as wheel, tire. We are recalling what we have done yesterday. We are recalling what we have done yesterday. Points.
Vedi, please pay attention and mic off.
Cartwheels. We can find many such round things around us. Yesterday, you also brought some objects with the round shape and you traced the circle with the round objects. We can trace a circle with the help of these things which we have done yesterday. Today we are going to learn after tracing the circle. We know that circle is round in shape. Yes, children, show me thumbs up. Yes, we know that circle is in round shape. Now, what are the properties and the parts of the circle? Riva, switch off your mic first. Your all individual queries will be solved at the end. So now, today we are going to start. Please keep your circles aside. Activity, when I will say the activity will start, then only the activity will start. Keep that circle aside. Now, today we are going to learn about the parts of the circle or the properties of the circle. Again, I am showing you one video. Till that, everyone's mic should be off, please. Circle and its parts. Don't write this. I am going to send this video in the classroom. Then you will copy all the parts and the details. Am I clear to everyone? Please show me thumbs up. Yes.
Yes.
Is this visible now? Twisha, please guide me.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
And I will play it. Just please guide me whether it is audible or not.
Circle, center,
Yes, it is
radius,
audible.
diameter.
So, the parts of the circle are circle. We will learn about the circle and then we will learn about what is center in the circle, what is radius, diameter, semicircle, chord, circumference.
Semicircle, chord, circumference. Circle.
A circle is a round shaped figure. What is circle, children? Now, Jahan Agarwal will tell me. What is circle, Jahan? Jahan Agarwal is
Circle
Yes.
is a round shape.
Okay. Circle is a round shaped figure that has corners or edges. My dear children, circle is having the corners, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, switch off your mics fast. Very smart children. Thank you. So a circle is a round shaped figure that has no corners, no or edges. In geometry, a circle has been defined as a closed two-dimensional curved shape. It's a 2D shape, not a 3D shape. A few things that come across us are circular in shape are full moon, compact disc, and you can write the other examples which you can see in the shape of a circle.
Circle is a round-shaped figure that has no corners or edges. In geometry, a circle can be defined as a closed, two-dimensional, curved shape.
Children, no need to write right now. Don't write it. I'm going to send this video in the classroom.
A few things that come across us and are circular in shape are a full moon and a compact disk.
You use CD, no? So the full form of CD is compact disc. Now we will learn what is the center of the
Center of the
circle.
circle. The center of a circle is the central point in a circle from which all the distances to the point
Is this video is audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
points on the circle are equal. Some examples of center are midpoint of hourglass and locus of seesaw. Radius.
Now
The
we will
radius
learn what is radius.
of a circle is the length of the line from the center to any point on its edge. The plural form is radii. It is represented by small letter r. Examples of radius are spoke of a wheel, minute hand of a clock.
Now we will learn about what is diameter.
Understand I didn't understand that thing.
Radius,
Yes.
you will more understand when we will do the activity on base of it.
Yes.
Diameter. In geometry, a diameter of a circle is any straight line segment that passes through the center of the circle and whose endpoints lie on the circle. It can also be defined as the longest chord of the circle. It divides the circle into two equal halves. It is represented by small d. Examples of diameter are equator and the first cut slice of a pizza.
Yes,
From your statue. You.
I am not repeating, no, that's why. You are able to listen the video?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In half.
Ma'am, I know what is radius.
Semicircle. A semicircle is a half circle formed by cutting a whole circle along a diameter line. Any diameter of a circle cuts circle into two equal semicircles. A semicircle is formed when a line passing through the center touches the two ends on the circle. Examples of semicircle are half moon and protractor. Chord. In geometry, a chord is the line segment joining two points on a curve.
Please switch off your mics, children.
Ayush's mic is on, ma'am.
Please switch off.
The term is often used to describe a line segment whose ends lie on a circle. Examples of chord are crescent moon and bow. Circumference. In geometry, the circumference
Children, I will
is
come back
derived
to you.
from Latin word circumferens, meaning carrying around, is the perimeter of a circle. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle. Examples of circumference are outline of a chapati and outline of a coin. The topics that we discussed today are circle, center, radius, diameter, semicircle, chord, circumference. Hope you understood.
Okay. So we have
Ma'am,
learned
sorry
about.
to interrupt. Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but ma'am, some students like Rahil Patel and Ekansh, they are writing the messages. In between, the video was going on, so I didn't interrupt. Just make sure, otherwise we will remove them out of the class.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Please. If they type anything in the chat box, please remove it. Okay. Now I hope everyone is having these circles with them. I told you, those who don't have,
colorful circle. I just did with Colorful. Ma'am, this much circle is
Okay.
okay.
Now can I talk? Yes. If you have colorful circles, then also okay. If you have small circles, then also okay. If you have all the circles with same, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have small circles, then also okay. If you have big circles, then also okay. If you have colorful circles, then also okay. If you don't have circles, then you will wait. You will watch what we are explaining, and then you have to draw what I will say in the notebook. So don't say again and again in the class that, ma'am, I don't have circles. It's okay if you don't have circles. You sit and you watch. Am I clear to everyone? Show me thumbs up. Yes.
Yes.
Now take one circle in your hand. Take one circle in your hand. Fold it. Fold it in this way. Yes. So when you open this, this complete line passing from the center, I will show you what is the center also. This complete line which is touching this is called the circumference. The complete round of a circle is called the circumference of a Rahil. When
Ma'am,
you don't understand what, Ayush?
I don't understand radius,
My
circumference.
dear, we are learning everything with this examples, with this activity. Am I clear to you now? Okay. At the end also, if you will not understand, wait for 5 minutes. I will give you 5 minutes to speak on that what you don't understood. Okay, am I clear? And that time we will discuss about this. So after folding this complete line which is coming here, please draw this line with the scale and join it. I will also join this line with
the pencil.
the pencil and scale. I have clearly mentioned in the classroom, bring pencil and scale also in the class today. Join this line. Join this line and show it to me. After watching the video, can anyone explain me that what this big line is? Can anyone explain me? After
Diameter. Diameter.
very good. The line which touches the one end of the circle and the other end of the circle also. Am I clear? And it is not compulsory that diameter passes from here only, from this. It passes from the center, it is compulsory. But if I draw a line, wait, I will show you all.
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
I will see it.
Ma'am, later on.
Yes. Now, wait for this thing. See.
What we have to do? Okay.
See, first I told you to divide this and draw this. This was the diameter. Now, if I join a line passing from the center of the circle, and if I join from here to here, this is also the diameter of a circle. This is also...
this?
No, you just observe first here. This is also the diameter. And again, I will draw one more line which pass from the center. This is also the diameter. Can you all see? This is also a diameter of
Yeah,
a
ma'am.
circle. So diameter is clear to you all. Diameter is
Yeah, ma'am.
yes. Diameter is also called a chord of a circle, but what is chord? That also we will learn what is chord. Okay. So yes. Very good, Trisha. Very good. So there are how many diameters you have drawn, Trisha? Can everyone show me with the different diameters? Draw different diameters
Yeah.
and show me.
8.
Yes. How many diameters, Trisha?
3. You know what?
3. Very good. Rahil, switch on your camera. Rahil, Vivan, switch on your camera. Dhyan, show me how many diameters.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Show me.
Ma'am, I have 7.
Who is telling 7 and 8? Please show me. Show me. Gunav, switch on your
Ma'am,
camera. I
3.
cannot see you.
Ma'am.
Your camera is off. Ma'am, they are
7.
visible to you.
Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, 8.
No, Gunav was not.
8.
And Ma'am Rahil.
Ma'am,
Yes,
4.
Rahil is visible.
Rahil is
Ma'am,
visible.
4.
Yes.
4.
Can you please check, ma'am, how many diameters he draw?
Yes, ma'am. He
Ma'am,
has drawn, I think, 7.
Okay,
Four.
no. There is yours
5.
is only 1.
Ma'am. Ma'am, only
How many diameters?
Ma'am, 8. 4. 4.
Okay. Okay. Mark it dark. They are not visible clearly. Mark them dark.
Okay. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4?
Okay. So are you
Rahil, I have checked.
4.
Keep it
Ma'am,
down.
I have 6.
how many diameters? Yes. So are you all clear what is the diameter, children?
Yes, ma'am.
The longest line, the longest chord. Can you all listen to me now? Switch off your mics. Are you switch off your mic? Gunav, switch off your
Gunav,
mic.
switch off.
Gunav, switch off your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Gunav,
Gunav,
There
mic
can
off.
be uncountable.
yes.
It's on the mic.
So we can draw many diameters in the one circle and there please
Rudra.
switch off your mic.
Can you please switch off your mic, Rudra?
In between, if you switch off your mic, it will be yes, Ayush. So when a line join starts from one end point of the circle to the next end point of the circle on the circumference of a circle. This is the circumference of a circle, right? The complete round of a circle is the circumference of a circle. So when we join from one end point of a circle to the next end point of a circle, passing from the center, it is called the diameter. Am I clear to you all? Now, please take another circle. Take other circle and again fold it. Again fold it.
Ma'am, I have one only. Ma'am,
Then you sit and watch.
that is from the first end to the second end, which past the middle is called the diameter, right?
Yes. Now again take the next circle. First fold it into half. Then again fold it.
Ma'am, pizza half.
Yes. Now again open it.
And like
Again open it. So what do you observe in this? How many equal parts it is divided? The circle is divided into how many equal parts?
4.
4. So 4. So this part here, this is called what? This is called what? If I mark here,
Ma'am, center.
is can you all see my dot in my circle? Twisha,
Ma'am,
my
we have to make a dot.
yes, you have to make a dot also and mark it center. What is the spelling of center?
CENTER.
C-E-R-E. C-E-N-T-R-E. That is the another center. And this is the center of this C-E-N-T-R-E. And mark it as the center of the circle. Am I clear to you? Yes. Now, from the center of the circle, join. Yes.
Ma'am, can I show you something?
Let me complete it first.
Ma'am, like this.
Center is everyone. Center is done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And from the center, one line is going towards right or left or up or down. Right? You can see 4 lines are going from the center.
Yeah.
So from the center, you can join any line, any one line only. Any one line from here to here, right this type, or here also, up or down also, or right, left also. Any one line, join it. Please join it fast. Join it with the scale and pencil. See, I have
What
taken
join?
this side.
Ma'am.
I have
Ma'am,
taken to my Vivan, I told you, if you don't have, you sit and watch.
Ma'am, I am doing a notebook. It is okay.
Yes, that also I told you. So, yes, very good, Twisha. From the center, can you all look here?
Like this.
Rahil, I am not able to see you. Just check it with Kanak ma'am.
Ma'am, see.
No, Rahil, switch
Yes,
off and
Rahil.
switch on.
Rahil, I can see.
Ma'am, like this.
So, this line is called the radius of a circle. Ayush, are you clear now what is radius?
Yes, ma'am.
Now clear?
Yes, ma'am. I see.
So, what do you observe?
have to do in another circle.
Yes, I have was. Please switch
Guna,
off your mic.
Guna, switch off your mic.
Children, if you all speak together, then it will be a difficulty for me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, there.
Ma'am, we have to
This
do
is
this
where-
in another.
Yeah, this is the second circle.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, this is the second circle. So, we have to
Yes.
take one more after center.
No, just point the center,
center
and
one.
then, yeah.
Ma'am,
Draw. Yes. Draw the center and then draw a line
Okay.
which is touching to the circumference of the circle. So this is the radius. Now, my question is, what do you observe here? What is the difference between the diameter and the the diameter and the radius? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Riddhi, wait for your turn.
I have no doubt.
Yes, Riddhi, tell me.
Ma'am, the radius is always on the right side.
No, that's why I told you it can go from up to down. I will tell you, right? Again, I will come back to your question also. No, it is not only to right, not only to left. I will tell you what is the radius also.
Ma'am.
Ayush, tell me, what do you observe in this? What is the difference between the diameter and the radius?
Diameter can be made of a longer line than the radius, but the radius cannot go longer than the diameter.
Yes. So
can only
can
go
you
on
say
one
that? Nikita, please switch off your mic.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Viva.
Ma'am?
Please tell me.
Ma'am, can I say yes?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, radius is half and the diameter is full.
Yes. Radius is half of the diameter. Yes. Radius
can I?
is half of the diameter. Now, Riddhi was asking that radius is only from left to right or right to left. No. Radius is the line which starts from the center and touch to the edge or the circumference of the circle. It can be like this. I can draw another radius and show you.
Ma'am, you will draw the another radius?
No, you don't draw, just you have to observe here. See,
Ma'am,
Rudra, wait, my dear. If I'm explaining something and clearing the doubt of children, wait for your turn.
I don't have a doubt. I'm saying that because some issue I left. So after drawing radius, what you said?
No, just I'm telling that radius is not only from left to right or left to right, right to the center, from the center. No, it is the line which pass from the center and which touches the edge or the circumference of the circle. It can be from here. This is also the radius. This is also the radius. This is also the radius. Can you all see?
Yes.
Just show me thumbs up.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, when we fold this on like this, it becomes like 15 minutes, like in clock.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, I have only 5% battery. Can I leave?
No, who is this?
Ma'am, I Rudra.
Rudra Master, no, please put your mobile or the laptop on the charging because you still have to wait for 10 minutes and understand what is the topic.
Okay.
So this is the radius of the circle. It can be, just remember the line which pass from the center and touch the point to the circle. Am I clear to everyone? So how many things we have learned today right now? We have learned center. What is the center? How to find the center of any object if they are round in shape? Yes. We have learned what is the diameter. Join the line from one point of a circle to the other point of the circle, passes from the center. Passes from the center. And then we have learned. Yes, Riddhi.
So, from anywhere, for the radius can go from the center and touch the circle's outer layer.
Yes, that is the circumference.
Any
Touch to
direction
the,
it can go.
yeah, it can go any direction, but it pass from, it is compulsory that it pass from the center and touch to the any part of the circumference or the edge of this, the round part of the circle. Am I clear to everyone?
Yeah.
So three things are clear.
Yeah.
And this is also clear, the radius is half of the diameter.
Yeah.
So this is also
Excuse
clear
me,
that diameter is double of the radius.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes.
have one small doubt.
Yes.
Like this is when this is the radius. Radius can be more than 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
Yes, yes. It depends on the size of the circle. If the circle is small, radius also small. If the circle is big, radius will be big.
So in the diameter also it can be more.
Yes, that we will learn in our next classes. How to find out the diameters. Yes. Just now we are learning that how to draw the radius, how to draw the diameter, what is the diameter of any object. If you want to find the diameter of any round object, how you will find?
Learning.
Yes. So your center point is clear. Your radius is clear. Your diameter is clear.
Ma'am, so what do we do with these all three?
Wait,
These
wait,
three?
wait. Now we will draw chord. We will draw chord.
This
Now
chord.
chord is what?
This chord.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am. Can you please mute Gunav? So many times instructed, still his mic is on.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a
Gunav
doubt.
and Yash, please.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush, tell
what
me.
is that circumvent? What is that? This thing.
The circumference is the complete round of a circle. Okay.
Ma'am, can
And this you will learn in higher grades how to find the circumference of a circle. There is a formula of finding the how to find the circumference of a circle. The complete round of a circle is called the circumference of a circle. Am I clear? Ayush?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Complete. If you start running, this is the circular playground. Okay. This is the circular. Assume that this is the circular playground, and you have started from this starting point to run.
Yes. No, ma'am, I can't hear you.
And over here, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush, wait.
Wait.
Wait, Ayush.
Wait, my dear.
Ma'am,
Wait.
Yes, I can hear you.
your
Can see you.
voice not
Okay.
connecting?
Now,
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So what you have done, you have covered the circumference of the circle. You have taken the complete round of the circle. Clear, Ayush, now?
Okay. Got it, ma'am.
Now we will learn what is the chord of the circle. What are the chords? How to draw the chord. Chord are the two end points which start. Suppose, wait, I will draw and show you.
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
See, can you all see here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the point where the radius ends is only the circumference, no?
No.
Ma'am, means the radius starts from the center and ends at the edge of the circle. So the edge of the circle is only the circumference.
The complete round of the circle is the circumference.
Yes, ma'am. I have to draw the half which you made right now with
No, you just first observe.
Okay.
So when we are joining two endpoints, Kanak ma'am, can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
When
ma'am.
your time
Yes.
comes, you can leave also. Thank you.
Okay. Because for 5 minutes Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when you start from one end point of a circle and join this line to the next end point of the circle on the circumference. See, here also you have started from the one end point of a circle and touching to the next end point of a circle and join this line. This is called the chord of a circle. Chord is not the radius, chord is not the diameter, because chord is not passing from the center, but it is touching the two endpoints at the on the circle. Am I clear to you all? Now what you do, how you children will draw, you do one thing, fold this paper and open this and join a chord. Make a chord. And this way you can make it in this side also. Look here everyone first. Again you can fold this paper
Yeah, ma'am.
and join these lines from here one end point to the next end point on the circle. and make a chord. Here also
And
you
how
can
many chords we have to make?
you can make easily on the one circle 4 chords you can make.
Ma'am, more than 4 we cannot make on a circle.
No, because how you will, it should compulsory that both the endpoints should join the circle.
Ma'am, so if we take any other shape, so
Yeah,
it can happen more.
you
Ma'am,
can
like
join in the any other shape. Yes.
Ma'am, okay.
Now please draw the lines. Draw the lines. Yes, Ayush. And make the chord.
Is this a chord?
Yes, show me. Yes, this is also a chord. But remember that chord will not pass from the, please children, don't remind me the time is up. I know.
So, ma'am, I think I can make easily 8 or 16 also.
Make,
No, ma'am, it is possible only 4.
yes. Draw, how many you can draw?
I can make like this also, no? Two chords.
And like this,
One
Ma'am.
on the other. Yes, you can
like
draw.
this, ma'am.
Yes. Now I will show you one video on what is the center and what is the chord, what is how to draw the diameter.
Ma'am, what about the last circle? In the pizza box.
On last circle, you will draw radius also, you will draw diameter also, and you will draw chord also in one circle and paste it in your notebooks. Am I clear?
All the circles left.
Just a minute. Wait.
2 circles.
Wait,
we have
wait.
to label it.
Yes, you have to label it also.
Ma'am, there are 2 circles. Ma'am, 2 circles left.
It's okay, my dear. Can you wait now? Please see how it is. Is this visible to everyone?
Hello friends, today we are
No,
going
ma'am,
to
it
take
is not
some information
visible.
about geometrical figure circle.
Children, it was visible to you all.
Dish. This is
Ma'am,
a
it's
pencil.
visible.
This is a sheet of paper. And
It's
this
visible.
is a sellotape.
Okay.
Friends, all these objects are circular. They have shape of a circle. If we want to draw a circle on the page, we can use this dish and trace a line around a dish.
Children, this is audible and visible to you all.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am,
We
but
will get
less
a
audible.
circle. We can also use this round compass for drawing a circle. We can say rounder also.
See, after drawing the circles, see, I will go
Circular
little
shape of
fast.
paper.
That
Of the paper, I will trace it with the help of pencil. We get this line on the circle. Look.
this
at
is what,
first I
children?
fold this paper, circular paper. I
Children,
open it and
chord. Yes.
this line I trace with the help of the pencil. You can see this is a circle. This is a part of the circle. This is a circle and this line is called chord. If I this small line
This
also called
small
chord.
line is also
It's
called
a part of
chord,
a circle.
because this also starts from one end point of a circle and touches to the next end point of the.
This is chord, this is chord, this is chord, and this is also chord. It is a part of a circle. I take second another circular shape in this way and open this fold. I will trace this fold with the help of pencil and
This
ruler.
is what now, children?
Same parts. This line is
This
divided
diameter.
Yes.
into two equal parts. You can
Yes.
see.
Diameter.
This line is called
Ma'am, like Trisha made, we have to
this
also make.
line is called diameter.
Ma'am, like
of the
Trisha made, we have
circle.
to also make.
In the first circle,
Everyone has to make.
we draw these small
Okay.
lines. Diameter is also
See, chord
Now,
and diameter is
I
clear
will
to you all.
fold
I will send this video in the
circle
classroom
2 times.
also.
1.
2 times
Okay.
fold, and then what will
I
come
will
now?
open it. There are 4 equal parts of the circle.
Yes.
We can see because of we can see the point where both lines meet each other. This point. This because of these two lines. Now, then I will fold this circle for 2 times. Center of the circle. Now, I will name it as the edge of the circle. I will take any point and I will name it N.
What it will be now?
Okay. So now I will join these both points.
It will be radian.
Radius.
Radius.
Radian.
In this circle, line MN is the radius of the circle. We will take another circular shape. This is the center of the circle. The name is place ruler.
This is called what?
So,
Then we
AB
have to do
is
this.
the
Yes,
radius
sir.
of the circle. It
This is
called
also the radius.
Center of the circle till the
And
edge lines from center to edge of the circle. All these lines
and
are
we have to
radius
copy
of
this in our
the circle.
circles.
No, wait.
Students, today we learn 4 parts of the circle. This is
Center, chord, radius, and diameter we have learned today. It is compulsory for everyone. They will make the 4 circles. Am I audible to everyone? Yes.
You know?
You have to make the 4 circles. One circle, mark the center only. Next circle, mark the radius. Third circle, mark the diameter. And the fourth circle, mark the chord. And on the 5th circle, you have to mark all the 4 things together. Am I clear? Yes. And paste them in your notebook. This is your today's home task. And tomorrow I will send you the video on what are the definition on these terms, so that you have to copy it down tomorrow in the notebook. Am I clear to everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Now you can leave, children. Thank you.